So over here, you can see that I have a document opened up. And if I want to share this document with public, then I can generate a public link so that anyone can access the document and then work with it in different ways. So to do that, I'm going to click on the share button right here. And now you can see that I have the list of person who I have shared the link with. And I also have an option to copy the link, but the other person will not be able to access the file with just that link. So I'm just going to paste that out right here, and you can see that it actually asks the other user to sign in even if they use the link. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the link public, and to do that I'm going to click on change to anyone with the link right here. If you're using an organizational account, however, you won't have this option. You can only change it into a link where all the members of the organization can access it, but you cannot make it completely public as of now. So over here, you can see that there's the get link now. So now this is public, and anyone with the link can be a viewer, as you can see right here. So the other person, if they were to paste this out and access it, you can see that without signing in, they'll be able to access this, and it says view only right here. You can also change the privilege out right here, so you can make them as a commenter. So if they were to actually refresh it, now it says comment only as well. So you can go around over here and leave a comment anonymously, as you can see right there. And you can also change it into editor, so you can make it like publicly editable as well. So now the other person will be able to edit this out. So now you'll be able to see that they have full access. They'll be able to change the data right here publicly, and it'll be updated right here. And that is how you can share out your document with public from within Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.